What is up, YouTube? Welcome to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we're going to be talking about whether cryptocurrency is dead or not. I know that with the recent price action of us falling, it's caused quite a bit of panic across the board on most platforms where people trade and invest, and on Twitter and TradingView. Everybody's starting to freak out, so it's really exciting for me right now because this is usually when you get the most juicy technical analysis, when there's a lot of movement happening because a lot of people are either FOMOing into something or they are freaking out and selling as the price is dipping. So it's going to be pretty awesome today, and go ahead and hit that like button for me, hit that subscribe button down below, and we will get straight into the video. So when I look at the total market capitalization on the 3-day candlesticks, I see a pretty awesome pattern forming from a market cycle perspective. But first, let's look at the little move that happened from, 2019 till 2020. And by little, I mean smaller, because this was actually a pretty big move in terms of percentages, in terms of what markets usually do in short periods of time. But in comparison to the move that we saw right here, it's pretty small still. So we're going to go ahead and zoom into this little baby here and look at the way that she is ticking. And if you go to the Fibonacci retracement tool and go from the left bottom up to the top, we start to get lots of different Fibonacci numbers. The 618, we already bounced off of that, bounced up to the 50% and fell through the 618 as support. So now the lower support levels that I am watching for the total market cap is going to be the 786 level and this 88% level. Now the 786 level is at 165 billion in total market cap. The price that we are currently at right now is 187 billion in total market cap. And you guys can actually go ahead and chart these charts on your own as well and find the pricing and write it down and do all of that by going to either tradingview.com or charts.cointrader.pro, and you can pull up these charts and start analyzing this. And if you want to look at the total market cap, this is usually the place that I recommend people go ahead and do it. It is an awesome platform for doing analysis. So we have this channel, this bullish channel. It's a falling channel, but it's a bullish flag pattern, so it's likely to result in a bullish move. And you guys, this channel right here also coincides with the 786, the bottom of that support, coming in around that area, or even the 88%. So as long as we stay in this channel, you guys, I'm expecting us to see a hard bounce out of this dipping. I don't think that cryptocurrency is dead by any means on the long term. In fact, I think that this is just a big shakeout before the real gains start coming in the market, and that this is all the beginning of a reversal pattern. This being the depression of the market cycle, where everybody was just completely had it with cryptocurrency as a whole. And then this being the disbelief, where people are still in disbelief that it's ever going to see another bullish run again in the future, which I definitely think it will. We definitely have all of the necessary parameters for us to see another bullish run. All of this shorter term price action, shorter term movement is just following along with the Fibonacci levels, and it's good to watch this as well and be aware of the short-term stuff. But from an investing perspective, the thing that I like to do in the crypto markets is worry about that big picture stuff mainly. So what we're seeing right here, this is all just more noise in the bigger picture of what is meaningful for crypto as a whole. If you really want to look into what's meaningful, you want to go into like the weekly candlesticks and go onto the logarithmic chart. and zoom way out and look and see how the market has a very long-term uptrend that is still intact. And as long as we continue to catch lows and make higher highs and higher lows, we're going to see a continuation in this trend, and cryptocurrency could see quite a bit of growth in the future. So nothing I'm freaking out about, you guys. Again, put on your opportunity lens, take off the lens of fear, keep some cash on the sidelines, keep some Bitcoin. Don't over leverage yourself with high leverage on exchanges or with too much in the altcoin market caps and the altcoin markets, and just be ready for profitable venture in the markets as this opportunity grows. And as soon as we start to make on the shorter time frames higher highs and higher lows, then we're going to go ahead and be a lot more ready for the major resistance levels to be broken here. And by that I mean as long as we can confirm that reversal, we are going to be quite prepared for a very huge move upwards in the crypto markets, and something that could just astonish anything that we have seen in 2019 or 2018, something that will be a lot bigger than the moves that we've seen. So anyways, I really appreciate every single one of you guys tuning into the total market cap update. Again, watch that 786 level at around 165 billion and wait for the market to make a higher low and a higher high, and get ready for more profits and more moves in the market coming. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in future videos. As always, stay profitable out there.